Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to turn off caps lock notification in Windows 11. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the search box type a control panel and go to your control panel. After doing this step, go to your ease of access. Now click on ease of access center.
Always scan this section.
And after doing this step, first of all, select make keyboard easy to use. And after doing this step, make sure that turn off the toggle keys and make sure that turn off the toggle keys by holding down the nums lock for 5 seconds. So uncheck the both and click on apply and OK button.
Always scan this section.
After doing this step, go to your make it easy to focus on task, and after doing this step, turn off click on turn off all unnecessary animations. Click on it, click on apply and OK button.
Always scan this section.
After doing this step, close it. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step, your problem is solved. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.